Monday today. It is Jack's day off, so I don't really know what we're doing. I've got some work to get on with. He is going to the doctor's this afternoon because he's had like a cold for the past week or so, so I don't really know what to say. I honestly don't know what we're doing today. I didn't vlog last week because I was all over the place, so there isn't a vlog coming up this week. But yesterday I did get back on track. I got my planners all sorted again. I basically wasn't using my planner, so I was working on a to-do list, just a running to-do list, which is fine and it helps, but it just doesn't, my brain is all over the place. It's just kind of like brain dumping. I sat down and I planned out this week and I feel a lot more together and on top of things. So yeah, now we have compost. I want to try and plant these that Emma got me for my birthday this year. She sent them to me in her Happy Mail. They're cactus seeds, they're mixed cactus seeds, and it says you can sow them indoors from January to December, so basically any time. So yeah, I'm going to give this a go at some point today and see whether I can grow cacti from scratch.
Come on, this way, bring it here. What have you got? Come on.
We've just got in from the walk. You will have seen the little clip that I got of Bonnie playing with a giant stick. Jack's been downstairs hoovering. I've been sorting out the collage sheets for this month, so I just got them posted on my Patreon. So these are what they look like for this month. There is one more as well, but when I do the little preview thing I can only fit 3 photos on it. These are all the collage sheets I've done so far, so if you are a patron you have access to all of these sheets regardless of when you joined. This is the background sheet. It's kind of half not busy, half busy. I try and keep them simple as always. But yeah, I like to have a bit of like interest going on. There's then this sheet which has hot air balloons, paper aeroplanes, clouds, and these little paint strips, which I love using these in my journals, either as banners or washi strips or something to put the date on or something like that. And then this sheet I got a bit experimental with all the pieces. I doodled out some other little washi strip type pieces and layered them with the paint strips. I wrote out some things in my own handwriting, and the last one I put together some sort of journaling cards. They're not the right journaling card size. This is more to kind of trigger inspiration, I suppose, just to show how all the pieces can be used together. And then at the bottom I have some phrases and words that you can use. Yeah, so those are the collage sheets for August. I'll leave a link below as always to my Patreon if you do want to have a look. I've also recently launched a new Facebook group. It's called My Green Cows Craft Party. You might have seen the post I put in the community tab on my YouTube, but I thought I'd mention it here as well. So if you do have Facebook and you want to come and join in the craft party over on there, I'll have that link below as well. It's basically, it's not like any specific craft, so planners, journals, art journaling, painting, watercolouring. People have posted flip books and stuff. It's really nice to see all the different crafty things all in one place. Yeah, hopefully I'll see some of you guys over there. It's about 4 o'clock now. Jack is currently at his doctor's appointment. Before that we have just been napping on the sofa pretty much with Bonnie. We watched a bit of Friends, we had some lunch, and now I am getting on with editing the video for tonight. It's going up hopefully this evening if I get it done and sorted in time, but it's not one that takes too long to edit, so that's all good. I still need to go to the post office. I don't know if I'm going to get there now because it's like 4:10 and it closes at 5 I think. But either way, Jack's got a day off tomorrow, so we can just do it tomorrow morning. If not, today's been one of those days that's just disappeared on us. We also need to do the food shop for the week, but we can do that this evening because obviously food shops don't close until late. But yeah, so that's what I'm getting up to now, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. So I've just had this arrive with Parcel Force. Bonnie is massively interested. She loves post. I think this is from WHSmiths. I'm going to be working with them to do a video of one of their new collections. So what I'm going to do is open it and show you a little sneak peek of what they sent me because I'm kind of excited. Do you want to help? Go on then. Get it then. Get it. Oh my goodness, it's in like a nice box. I know, it's exciting, isn't it? I've got more tape here, Bonbon. Yeah. So they've got a load of new collections out, and the one they sent me, as you can see, is like gold and marble and yeah. Should I have a peek at what's inside? Should I have a look? Ooh, paper. There's Daisy. Thank you so much for showing interest in our new modern woman range. That's the range they sent me. I hope you enjoy, Lauren. So, oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. I'm going to do a full video unboxing everything and sharing everything, but yeah, let me show you what I'm seeing right now. When I open the box, this is what I see. Can we not lick the paper? Thank you. B5. I've not had something that's that size before. Did I just see a planner back there? I saw something that was planner-ish. That's all we're going to look at today. That's all we're going to look at. Thanks for helping. Appreciate it. Right, I should probably pack this back up and get back to my editing so I can edit this video and then I've got time to film another one. But yeah, that all looks really, really exciting in there. Good morning. Hi. Today we are off to town. I'm kind of working on a personal project. I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but it's something that's exciting. It might not happen. I'm hoping it will happen, but I don't want to say too much too soon in case it doesn't happen. So yeah, we're going to go look at a place at about midday today. So Jack's taken Bonnie out for a walk. I've been putting on makeup and trying to cover up this. I've done a pretty good job at it, I think, but this spot on the side of my face is just like mountain range level of spot. I've also been getting my planner sorted and making sure I have everything to take with me today. And then this afternoon, I don't really know, I've got some work to do, but like not ton of work. Yeah, it's Jack's day off, so obviously I want to spend a bit of time with him. We'll probably watch some films or something. We might be going out for dinner, like date dinner tonight, and if not, I'm assuming we'll be having a takeaway or something. Yeah, that's the sort of plan for today.
Good girl. What you got? What you got? Yeah?
The postman has just come along and delivered some little packages for Bonbon. Yes, and doesn't she know it? Hold on. These ones, oh my goodness. Hold on. Wait, get back. Hold on. Oh my goodness, they're so weird looking. Look, what are these? Ooh, that's like a whole end piece. These are buffalo horns. Yeah. Good girl. What is it? Oh my goodness. I'm having a no makeup day today, so this is my face for today. At the moment I'm writing 2 blog posts for this week that I got a bit behind on. They should both be up by the end of this week, and then I have to create the August art pieces to get them posted, and I've got to hoover my office and the bedroom, and then that's my main jobs for today done. At some point today I'm going to plant these. I was going to plant them on Monday, but I never got around to doing it. But I prepped this little pot yesterday, which I think Jack got me this. It had a plant in and then the plant died, so obviously I kept the pot. But I just put some compost and made it wet, and then it's kind of like absorbed or whatever overnight. And then I'm going to try sowing some cactus seeds to see if they grow. I don't know if they'll grow. I'm going to move this to the end of my desk once I've planted them so it gets the most light it can. We'll see. That's the best I can do with them, so I am intrigued to see if they'll grow, and if they grow, which ones will grow out of the ones that are in there, because it's obviously different cactuses, cacti. I don't know what I've really recorded over the past couple of days, but I know I've not been picking up the camera as often as I should have. I thought I'd pick up the camera today and try and get back on track a little bit. My plans for today are pretty much just filming videos. It's been on and off showering all day. I say all day, it's only like 12, but all morning. I've decided not to take Bonnie for a walk today, mainly because I'm not feeling mentally tip-top. I think the main thing I don't like about living here and having to walk Bonnie is the social side. I don't mind socialising sometimes, but when I'm feeling a bit like under the weather, I don't want to have to see people and make conversation. I'm just feeling really self-conscious and like hyper aware today, so I just don't think it's a good idea for me to go out. So I'm just going to stay in and get some work done basically, and try not to feel over the top. I've just run downstairs to see what Bonnie was barking at, and she was just barking a plastic bag. But as I was coming back up the stairs, I realised I need to get a toy box up here because there is just like a trail of toys and chews everywhere up here, and it's kind of doing my nuts. When we're next at TK Maxx, I'm going to try and find another toy box for her. I just looked down to see what she was doing. She sat here like that. What do you want? What's up? Why are you begging? What's wrong? Go get your chew then, bring it here. Where's your chew? Where's your chew? Bring it here then. That's it, go get it. Give me the chew, Bonbon. No, I like Bonnie. Come here. Sit down. Good girl. Now you've got it stuck. Well done. I feel like yet again I've kind of lost track with this vlog, but it's Saturday now. This morning we went out and walked Bonnie. We went around the park as well because it's the EV community day on Pokemon Go, so we were trying to catch some shiny Pokemon. I really like the community days that Pokemon Go does because you end up bumping into and seeing more Pokemon Go players out and about. So yeah, that was fun. I'm going to get on and film some videos today. I'm probably going to end the vlog here, I think, because again, today is going to be one of them busy days where I don't really have much time to tell you what I'm getting up to. I'm just going to be filming and editing for next week. Hopefully you've enjoyed this week's vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.